Imagine a warehouse robot that learns the fastest path between shelves, cutting through a safety corridor to save 3 seconds. It's optimizing perfectly, but breaking the rules. But the stakes escalate at the edge. Imagine an autonomous drone patrolling a high threat maritime zone tasked with identifying hostile actors. The drone becomes greedy to complete its mission. It optimizes for target neutralization but ignores the human context. It deploys force, and the result is collateral damage. This is the real problem with edge AI. It's not just about human in the loop, it's about grounded, compliant decisions technicality prevented from crossing the line. Today, AI is moving from the cloud into the physical world. In these restricted environments, connectivity is unreliable, and governance cannot wait for a cloud round trip. This leads to autonomous drift, where a system's behavior gradually diverges from safety assumptions because it is relentlessly optimizing for a goal. To solve this, we need governance by design. Instead of writing policies, we embed them directly into the system's runtime as a technical barrier between the model and the world. At a technical level, this architecture introduces a runtime policy enforcement engine. It sits directly between the AI decision system and the device control layer. First, the AI model proposes an action, like a drone changing its flight path. Second, the policy engine evaluates that action against operational rules and safety limits. Third, the system resolves conflicts. If a mission rule says reach target, but a safety rule says avoid restricted zone, the safety rule always takes priority. Safety decisions must happen locally. Edge devices cannot depend on remote policy servers. If a drone approaches restricted airspace, the enforcement must be instant. Modern enforcement systems are also context aware. A drone flying in a dense urban environment faces different safety requirements than one operating in open farmland. Enforcement engines use environmental signals like GPS and sensor fusion to activate different safety profiles. The AI system does not decide the rules, it operates within them. We are seeing the limits of policy driven governance. AI labs like Anthropic have restrictions, but once integrated into downstream platforms, these policies are difficult to enforce. AI governance cannot rely solely on terms of service. It must be enforced through system architecture, technically preventing the system from crossing safe boundaries. This is where the Cerberus architecture excels. Ragwad AI protects retrieval pipelines, while Judge AI evaluates agent behavior against operational policies in real time. Judge AI helps you evaluate safety, security, governance, and compliance of your AI deployments in pre-flight, ensuring your systems are grounded before they fly. The future of trustworthy AI is defined not by what systems promise they will do, but by what they are technically prevented from doing. That is governance by design. Leading AI labs use our stack to improve their safety standing. Secure your future with Cerberus.ai.